Good morning everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Previous class we have completed different types of energy, law of conservation of energy. Today we will read light chapter. Which one? Our topic is light. Let me tell you what is light and how it is different from sound. How it is different from what? Sound energy. Light is a form of energy which gives the sensation of vision. Light is a form of energy which gives the sensation of vision or which gives the sensation of sight. But sound is what? Sound gives the sensation of hearing. Understood or not? In that case, in this light or sound, let's differentiate. Light is electromagnetic waves. Light is what? Electromagnetic waves. Whereas sound is mechanical wave. Sound is mechanical wave. What is electromagnetic wave? The waves which does not require any medium for propagation, that is called electromagnetic waves, whereas sound waves is mechanical waves. It requires a medium for its propagation. Clear? So let's see guys. Light is what? Electromagnetic wave, whereas sound is mechanical wave. The light travels with a speed of approx 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Whereas sound, the speed is 330 meter per second. The speed of sound is what? 330 meter per second. So as compared to sound, the speed of light is very high. Again, light can travel in vacuum. What is vacuum? What is vacuum? If there is no medium, if medium is absent, that is called what? Vacuum. That is called vacuum. So sound cannot travel in vacuum, but light travel in vacuum. Light travel in vacuum, whereas sound cannot travel in vacuum. Lights does not require any medium. It does not require any medium, whereas sound requires a material medium for its propagation. For its propagations. Clear? This is all about the difference between light and what? Sound. Light and sound. And everything around us we are able to see, we are able to observe during night also, during daytime also. We are able to see the object around us due to light only. Because from a source of light, it is falling on an object, from that object it is reflecting to our eye, then only we are able to see the object around us. So, without light, the whole world becomes dark. And the prime source of light is what? Sun. The sun is the prime source of light. During the daytime, we are not using tube light, torch light due to presence of sun. Due to presence of sun rays, and sun rays does not require any medium for its propagation, so that the sun is far away from the earth and it is passing The light is passing through the vacuum and reaching to the earth. Clear? Next, today we will start what is reflection of light. What? Our topic is again reflection of light. Reflection of light. What is reflection of light? Suppose one wall is there and here one torchlight is there. Okay, what torchlight is there? The torchlight focus on the wall and from the wall it is traveling to this side. From the wall it is traveling to this side. Suppose you just keep one mirror also. This is suppose a mirror. So the light from the torchlight is emerging. After striking the mirror, it bends in the other side. This is called reflection of light. This is called what? Reflection of light. Let me tell you the definition of reflection of light. What is the definition of what? Reflection of light. When a ray of light falls on an object and it after striking to the object it reflects back or it is coming to the same medium, then that is what we are saying that reflection takes place. Reflection takes place. So the bending of light or coming out of the light after striking the light up to an object to the same medium is called what? Reflection of light. It is reflection of light. Understood? Next one. Okay. So there are two types of reflections. How many types of reflections are there? Two types. What are that? Regular reflection or irregular reflections. Regular reflection or what? Irregular reflection. Irregular reflection you can say diffused reflections. Irregular reflection also you can say what? Diffused reflections. Let's see. In this case, the incident ray, this is called incident ray, all are parallel. Whereas the reflected ray also parallel. The reflected ray also parallel because the surface is smooth. The surface is what? Smooth. Polished surface. Smooth surface. In this case, the surface is rough, uneven surface is there, so that the incident ray are parallel, whereas the reflected ray are not parallel. So what is regular reflection? The reflection in which the reflection from a smooth surface. The reflection from a what? Smooth surface, that is called regular reflection, and the reflection from uneven or rough surface, that is called what? Irregular reflection or diffused reflection. Examples of what? Examples of regular reflection is what? The reflection of light from a mirror. The reflection of light from a mirror or fully polished surface like marble. Whereas the reflection of light from wall, from the roads, from the bed, from sofa set, these all are what? Diffused reflection. Which reflection? Diffused reflection. And due to diffused reflection only we are able to see the object around us. Due to what? Diffused reflection we are able to see the object around us. Understood? So what? Regular reflection and irregular reflection or diffused reflections. Understood or not? So in this case what I told, regular and irregular reflection, due to irregular reflection only we are able to see the objects around us. When a ray of light falls on where? Wall, when it reflects to our eye, then only we are able to see the wall. If an object, suppose a light is falling on the blackboard and from blackboard it is returning to the eye, then only the blackboard is visible. Understood? This is all about today's class. Understood? Thank you.